Have you heard of the benefits of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach? Olive oil, especially the extra virgin kind, has long been cherished as a natural health remedy, passed down through generations. From soothing gastric acidity to promoting heart health, it's a true wellness all-rounder. But it's not just about old wives' tales and anecdotal evidence. Modern science, too, is increasingly standing behind the health benefits of this golden liquid. However, not all olive oils are created equal. The quality of olive oil and the correct dosage play a crucial role in reaping its full benefits. It's recommended to consume it raw and not to exceed 4 tablespoons per person daily. One of the key benefits of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach is its positive effect on gastric acidity. Now, what does that mean? Well, olive oil has a unique ability to balance the pH levels in your stomach. This balance helps to reduce acidity, making it a natural remedy for conditions like heartburn and acid reflux. But olive oil doesn't stop there. It also stimulates the production of bile and pancreatic enzymes, which are crucial for effective digestion. This means that olive oil not only helps to alleviate discomfort from high acidity, but it also promotes healthier digestion overall, aiding in the absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. This benefit of olive oil is particularly helpful for those who suffer from stomach ulcers or gastritis. These conditions are often exacerbated by high acidity levels in the stomach, and the soothing properties of olive oil can help to relieve these symptoms. So, starting your day with a spoonful of olive oil can help you maintain a healthy digestive system. It's a simple habit that could make a significant difference in your overall digestive health. Another significant benefit of olive oil is its contribution to cardiovascular health. The olive oil, especially in its extra virgin form, is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. These are not just any fats, but monounsaturated fats, known for their heart-healthy properties. They play a vital role in reducing harmful cholesterol levels and raising the good ones. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in diverse antioxidants, prominent among them being oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol. These powerful substances help to combat inflammation and protect your blood vessels, contributing to a reduced risk of heart disease. But that's not all. These antioxidants also aid in lowering blood pressure, an essential factor in maintaining overall cardiovascular health. So whether you're drizzling it over your salad or sipping it straight, olive oil provides a healthy and tasty way to keep your heart in check. Indeed, olive oil is a heart-friendly addition to your daily routine. Did you know that olive oil can also assist in weight management? That's right. The secret lies in the monounsaturated fats olive oil is rich in. These fats are known to promote a feeling of fullness, which can help curb the urge to overeat. And less overeating means fewer extra calories, contributing to weight loss over time. But here's the thing, while olive oil aids in weight management, it's crucial not to exceed the recommended daily intake. Just like any good thing, too much can backfire. So how much is just right? Nutritionists suggest not going beyond 4 tablespoons a day. Remember, olive oil is not a magic potion that will melt away pounds overnight. It's a tool, a healthy addition to your diet that can assist in managing your weight. And like all tools, it works best when used correctly and consistently. So if you're aiming for a healthier weight, why not give olive oil a try? Incorporating olive oil into your diet, therefore, could help you maintain a healthier weight. But remember, the key to reaping these health benefits is consistency and discipline. Just like any other aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is not a one-time magic potion. It's a commitment, a promise you make to your body to nourish it with the best. Yes, the health benefits of olive oil are numerous, but they can only be fully realized when it is part of a balanced diet and an overall healthy lifestyle. Quality matters too. Make sure you're consuming extra virgin olive oil, the purest form of olive oil with the highest nutritional value. And let's not forget the importance of moderation. While olive oil is beneficial, it's still a source of calories. So, stick to the recommended dosage, which is no more than 4 tablespoons daily. In the end, it all boils down to 2 simple yet powerful words: consistency and discipline. These are the pillars that will support your journey towards a healthier life. So why not start your day with a spoonful of olive oil tomorrow? your body might just thank you for it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.